Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the image to video function in Kling AI. In order to do so, here we are at klingai.com and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for can be found here on the left-hand side. We're going to select video from the menu, and that's going to bring us to this page here. And what we can do is, first off, we want to make sure that we are selecting image to video. The next thing that's important is we do want to make sure that we have selected the correct model. So depending on what model you want to use, 2.0 is the most recent one, but 1.6 is still pretty good. It's pretty awesome, actually. And what we want to do then is, now that we've got that set, we want to bring in our image. So here you can see that we can click, drop, paste, or we can select from our history. So we go ahead and click on that, and then we can select our image. Once we've selected that, it will show up there, and then from there we want to add in our prompt. So in this case, we could just say a bear eating salmon. Okay, we'll try that out, and then once we're ready to go, we can just go ahead and click on generate, and now our image is going to generate into a video. I'll go ahead and show you an example here of something that I already created. We have our mutant salmon here, and you could see the results for yourself. And they're pretty good. They're pretty good. This looks really, really nice and gives you an example of what Kling is capable of. So head over to Kling and start playing around with your image to video generation. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.